Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be setting up my Arlo Essential Spotlight camera. So the way I'm going to set it up is I'm going to be syncing it to my SmartHub. I am not going to be going over how to install the Arlo app. I covered that in another video. I'll link that video in the description. Okay, so I'm just going to navigate to the Arlo app and sign in. Okay, so I'm signed in, and I'm going to hit the plus sign up here, and I'm going to add a device. All right. Of course, I'm going to add a camera. So I'm going to click on cameras. And then my camera is in the Essential series. Okay. And it's a spotlight camera. All right. Because the button is, the sync button is located on the bottom of the camera. So I'm going to select that. And then Essential Spotlight. So like that. Alright. Yep. It is located on the bottom. Sync button's located on the bottom. Continue. Alright. It detected my SmartHub. Hit continue. And it's checking for updates on my SmartHub. Checking for updates. It can take up to a couple minutes to finish checking for updates on my SmartHub. Got to keep the firmware updated. Alright, my firmware is up to date. Alright, so basically I'm going to hold this sync button on the bottom for 2 seconds until we see an LED light. A blue flashing light. Alright. Got the flashing light. Hit continue. It's looking for the camera. Alright, the camera's found. Name the device. I'm going to name it. Then hit continue. Alright, checking the bandwidth, which is poor. I'll fix that later. Okay. It did a recalibration, it's strong now. Fixed. Hit continue. Alright. It's found it. Hit continue. Alright, it's now active. I can see it. Now finish. Okay. And we all know when you buy a new camera, you get 30 days of cloud recording. You get a trial period for 30 days. So I'm not going to turn that down. I'm going to click Get Started, and then boom. There we go. That's it. Stay tuned for part 3 of this series, where in part 3, I'll show you how to mount the camera. Thank you very much.